How do robots help in laboratories? In a laboratory, precision, speed, and safety are crucial. Many processes, such as mixing samples or pipetting liquids, are repetitive and require millimeter accuracy. Imagine a lab where every step of an experiment is performed with total precision, 24 hours a day, without fatigue or error. It's in this environment that robots have become indispensable assistants, transforming scientific work. Robots help in laboratories by automating routine and complex tasks, allowing scientists to focus on analysis and innovation. Their main contribution is to increase the efficiency, accuracy, and safety of research. So, what key functions do these robots perform in the lab? They're equipped with high-precision arms and grippers for sample handling, moving test tubes and petri dishes. They can pipette liquids with an accuracy that surpasses the human hand, which is vital for sensitive experiments. Also, for DNA testing or drug screening, thousands of samples need to be analyzed, and robots can load these samples into analysis equipment continuously and at high speed. In drug research, they can test thousands of different compounds in a short time, drastically speeding up the discovery process. And by being able to perform complete experimental protocols without human intervention, they ensure total consistency in every step of the process. The implementation of robots in laboratories brings with it enormous benefits. First, they offer unparalleled precision and reproducibility, eliminating human error. Second, their speed and efficiency allow them to work 24/7, accelerating the pace of discoveries. And third, safety is paramount. Robots can handle dangerous chemicals or infectious samples, thereby protecting researchers from health risks. Ultimately, robots take care of the repetitive tasks, freeing up skilled scientists to dedicate themselves to thinking, analyzing data, and designing the next great experiments. In short, robotics in laboratories is a tool that not only accelerates science, but also makes it more precise and safer, pushing the boundaries of what is possible in research.